Hello grade 6 students, I am teacher Ahmed Abdullah and we will continue our lesson about triangles. Let's see our objectives. Our first objective is to define a right triangle. Our second objective is to deduce the properties of right triangle. Our third objective is to construct a right triangle. Let's recall some information. As we said in the previous videos about isosceles triangle and equilateral triangle, a triangle is a geometrical shape with 3 sides and 3 vertices. We have studied about isosceles triangle and about equilateral triangle, and today about what? A right triangle. Let's notice these triangles. Can you guess what is the type of each triangle? I will give you some time. Yes, did you guess it? This triangle has 2 equal sides. This means that it is isosceles triangle. This triangle has 3 equal sides. This means that it is equilateral triangle. And this triangle has a 90-degree angle and it is a right triangle. Definition of right triangle. A right triangle, it is a triangle where one of its interior angles is a right angle, 90 degrees. Notice this triangle. This triangle is right. Why? Because it has a 90-degree angle among its interior angles. Notice, MON triangle is right at O, or MON triangle is right with vertex O. This means that the angle O is right. Properties of right triangle. Given triangle XYZ is right at Y. Let's notice the side XZ. It seems to be special. Yes, because it's opposite to the right angle. This side XZ is opposite to the right angle. And it is the longest side among the other sides. Let's compare its size. Yes, YZ, which is here, and YX, which is here, and XZ, which is here. Notice that XZ is the longest one. We call this side, which is the opposite to the right angle and the longest side, we call it hypotenuse. And now we concluded the first property of right triangle. Yes, so the first property of right triangle, that the opposite side to the right angle is what is called hypotenuse, and it is the longest side. Now let's do this exercise to deduce the second property of right triangle. Given ROT is right at O, we have to find the sum of the angles ORT, which is this, and RTO, which is this. I will give you some time. Now let's do it together. We have in triangle ROT angle R plus angle T plus angle O equal 180 degrees, sum of the angles of a triangle. But angle O equal 90, this angle equal 90. This means that R plus T angles equal 180 degrees minus 90 degrees will equal 90 degrees. This means that angle ORT, this angle, and angle RTO, this angle, are complementary angles. Their sum is 90. And here we deduced the second property of a right triangle, which indicates that the other 2 angles in a right triangle, other than the right angle, together are complementary angles. Their sum is 90. Exercise. Let's construct the triangle ABC, which is right at B. such that BA equal 5 centimeters and BC equals 7. I will give you some time. Now let's do it together. Steps. We have to draw a line segment BA equal 5 centimeters. We bring the ruler and we draw 5 centimeters. We don't forget to put B and A and the measurement, which is 5. This step is finished. Let's see our second step. Draw BC perpendicular to BA. Yes, so we have to draw a line segment BC perpendicular to BA. Let's notice, it is called BC, or its name is BC. So we have to start at B, or the right angle will be at B. So we bring the set square, we set it correctly on BA, and we draw BC equals 7 centimeters. And we don't forget to put the 90-degree mark. This step is finished. Let's see our third step. We have just to join C with A, with a ruler. Yes, like this. And here we get a right triangle such that BA equal 5 and BC equal 7. You have to solve the following exercises as a homework. Exercise 8, page 74, and exercise 4, page 77 on your book. We have studied today definition of a right triangle, properties of a right triangle, and constructing a right triangle. I hope you enjoyed the video and understood the lesson. For any further information, you can ask your teachers.